Good news, unacademy has extended their offer of giving 20% discount on all the unacademy subscriptions till February 19. So if you take any subscription of unacademy till February 19, you will get 20% off by using my code CSJAS. So avail the offer.
Hello friends, I'm CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. So I'm here to tell you that I host daily free special live classes at 7 p.m. for company law and JIGL for CS executive students. And I'm very happily telling you that we have completed 4 chapters of JIGL, and today we will be starting the 4th chapter of company law, which is related to debt capital. So I am here to announce another 2 special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 17th and 18th February, again sharp at 7 p.m. Today I will be telling you the topic related to borrowings and types of borrowing. So the first topic, which is of chapter number 4, related to borrowing, types of borrowings and other related topics will be covered in today's class, and in tomorrow's class we will be discussing about the debentures, about the debenture trustees and debenture redemption reserves. I will be teaching all these topics in details, and one thing that students really enjoy in my class is the polls, that is the question and answer session. The class links to both the classes are in the description box below, so make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before the class begins you get a notification. Other than that, if you are looking for subscription on unacademy, links to the batches are also in the description box below, and if you plan to take subscription, make sure you use my code CSJAS. So hoping to see you all today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. And one important thing, these classes are totally free of cost. Yes, many times till today I get so many questions regarding these, that are these classes free of cost? So my answer is yes, these classes are totally free of cost. You only have to unlock my session by using my code CSJAS. See you at 7 p.m. Bye.